This is Leo that I met a couple of days ago on my trip over to film at the base of the volcano. So I just wanted to ask Leo a few questions because he's got a little bit of a unique story. So hi Leo, how you doing?
Hi man, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too mate, you
yes.
too.
My name is Leomar Casique. I have 3 children. This little boy at 4 years and the 9 years and the major 12 years. I had 25 years the married. The life in the island, I was tranquilly, comfortable. It's beautiful. The island is very beautiful. Mm-hmm. Only change this moment the volcano eruption. I was in my house with my family, and this moment moved the la tierra, and seismic.
That's great.
And I can see the eyes and question what happened. And this moment is big noise and open the back door and can see in the mountain, man. Big column the humo. I'm very scary, What happened? This volcano here, eruption here. It's very scared, And can you see your eyes can see the power, the natural, and then stay 1, 2, 3 hours thinking where do, Mm-hmm. This night, 12 or 1 a.m., the police touch my house. This gone on. It's very dangerous. They're here for gas. It's gone the house. This night, sleeping in the street, my 3 children and the sister of my wife, and his children here, sleep inside in my car. Very difficult, And the feeling is insecurity and feeling the scare, feeling the I don't know The next day, formatting the La Cruz Roja.
The Red Cross.
Red Cross, yes.
See.
This quality, food and water, and they say it's gone a la Guardia Civil, el Departamento de Guardia Civil en Santa Cruz. This night, sleep here,
You had to go to Santa Cruz to sleep.
Yes.
See.
For the la Guardia Civil. Yes, this night sleep here, and in this side, habían 16 person, 40 person sleep in this side. Sigues pensando, what happened? ¿Qué hacer? My 2 children sick, very tough.
And from the ash.
Yes. I question you, doctor. What happened? ¿Qué hacer? Dice, get out the fort. Your children don't stay here. It's very dangerous for us. But many people sleep in el mismo sitio. It's very dangerous for your children. Again, gone on the site. Return they are here Los Llanos. I'm talking about with friend. He facility. One side is una granja, un mini ranch. In one room, sleep 9 person. I have photos this moment, In one room, sleep 9 person, and the floor, my big boy, and un sofá. This here, me here. It smell the animals, it smell the pork, it smell the cabras, chicken, and dogs.
So everything is just crammed into such a small.
Pasan 4 or 5 days, and my wife called this service, socially service, and planting the situation. She says, service social, when sleep, yes, it's very common to my family. Entonces, with medium service social, ubication one house is not house. It's one gallery. You know, it's sleep now. It's better. Sleep better, but it's uncommon too. It's very difficult. El feeling is scared, you know, insecurity. I work and translate banana in the truck al almacén.
See?
But I don't work. I don't have for work, you know.
No.
I had very preoccupation with my family and the situation that my family, you know, and I can go work and thinking my family is no house for a government. It's very difficult. The situation economic and right now in the pound is difficult, you know, but the production or the principal production economic de pound, que es la banana, gone on. The lab arrasó or arrested destruction many hectares terreno.
It's said 709 hectares.
Yes.
So far has been destroyed.
Additional this, la ceniza. How do you say ceniza? This. How do you say ash?
Ash.
Pues the ash, the plantation with no arouse destruction the lab. Pues this destruction, you know, inside de las matas, the plantation, no water, no hay agua, you know. Entonces
the ash will affect the way that the banana plants can grow.
Yes.
And you can't get water to them.
This destruction more or equally the lab. I will say the situation is very, I don't know, say it's more difficult. The situation, the population, the situation economic, and the situation mentally. Many people and crying. Many people lose everything. You know, lose your plantation, lose house. Lose lose everything. You know? I think 3 schools, destruction.
3 schools.
The activity school is gone. This moment no school, but I say step by step or day for day, and the move here in El Paso and be hangar.
A hangar?
Yeah, hangar. A big hangar, and the people moved your house. I personally go, saqué cosas de mi casa and go this hangar, no?
Yeah. So you took everything from your house to the hangar?
Yes. I had time, but other people not. Other people, in this moment, your house, the lab, lose everything.
Gone.
Yes.
So do you think the government will build you a new house or help you to buy another house?
In this moment, I don't know. The government say only had 26 house, you know, far more people. Big problem.
You
know.
The
problem is this station gasoil.
Wow.
You know, before the eruption. And after, you know,
wow,
it's picant in the hash, you know.
That's a lot.
This is the problem. Is this? It's not lava, but it's more hash, you know. But this moment, I don't know. No. The situation, I would say, the situation economic in the Iceland is very difficult. It's break the principal activity economic. The plátano, the banana, is the better some is practically destroyed. You know, practically destroyed and broken the economy, the principal activity economy. In my work, my boss, I don't know, you know,
no.
or stop. or continue it,
See.
because he don't know do, you know, or stop or continue it, but the company lose many money,
See.
you know. After the volcano, the activity is not equal. But help, the government help with the people, and my personally, you know, help you in food, you know, go decide and retire food, or emergency for house, but house or side when live, no, no house. But I don't know what time stay when live now.